These are fascinating times. The space industry is poised to enter a new era of growth and exploration thanks to new technologies and innovative ideas. From private space companies to advancements in space technology, the industry is rapidly expanding and evolving in many exciting ways. One of the most significant developments is the rise of private space companies. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are leading the charge, with numerous others quickly following suit. This is great news for the space industry as it means more competition, innovation, and ultimately more progress. Advancements from more efficient rocket engines to reusable spacecraft. The industry is making huge strides in what's possible. This allows us to explore farther and deeper into space than ever before. Space-based research and development is also on the rise. From studying the effects of microgravity on the human body to developing new technologies that can be used in space, there's a lot of exciting work being done in this area. The space industry is increasingly being used to address global challenges. From monitoring climate change to tracking natural disasters, space-based technologies have the potential to help us tackle some of the biggest issues facing our planet. It's exciting to see the industry using its resources and expertise to make a positive impact on the world. Here are 8 ways the space industry is making a change for all. Number 8, increased private sector involvement. The space industry is experiencing an exciting and rapid expansion due to the involvement of private sectors. SpaceX and Blue Origin are leading the way with innovations in reusable rockets and spacecraft. Private sector involvement has led to increased competition and efficiency, driving innovation to new heights. With the private sector now heavily invested in space exploration, this will create new markets and opportunities, making space exploration accessible and affordable for more people. Additionally, the competition created by private sector involvement is driving the development of new technologies and expanding the industry, further fueling innovation. Number 7, launch cost reduction. Reducing launch cost is critical to the future of the space industry. The cost of launching rockets into space has long been a barrier to space exploration. However, with advancements in technology and the development of reusable rockets with companies like SpaceX, Rocket Lab, and other startups, the cost of launching is rapidly decreasing. This reduction in launch cost is a major step towards making space exploration more affordable, opening up new opportunities for both public and private sector organizations. This reduction will also enable more frequent launches, providing an opportunity for rapid technological advancement and expanding our understanding of the universe. By making space exploration more cost-effective, we can continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities. Number 6, space tourism. Space tourism is no longer a distant dream, but a near reality. Companies like Virgin Galactic, Space Adventures, Zero to Infinity are planning to or already offer suborbital flights for tourists. This new market is creating opportunities for new industries and driving innovation, expanding the space industry beyond traditional research and exploration. Space tourism will provide opportunities for people to experience space and inspire a new generation of space enthusiasts. As this market grows, it will also increase demand for more advanced and efficient space technologies, leading to further innovation and discovery. Number 5, asteroid mining. The possibility of mining asteroids is an exciting new frontier in the space industry. Asteroids contain valuable resources such as rare metals and water that could be used to sustain life and support space exploration. The industry is investing in developing the technology and infrastructure needed to make asteroid mining a reality. Companies like Carmen Plus, SpaceFab, Helios, and Garospace Systems are entering the space mining sector. By mining asteroids, we could access resources that are not available on Earth, reducing our dependence on limited resources and making space exploration more sustainable. The development of asteroid mining will also lead to new technological advancements and discoveries, further expanding the scope of the space industry. Number 4, colonization of Mars. The colonization of Mars is a significant goal for humanity, and it is becoming increasingly achievable with advancements in technology and increased funding. Colonizing Mars would be a significant achievement for humanity, enabling us to become a multiplanetary species. The journey to colonize Mars will require the development of new technologies, infrastructure, and resources. The development of these technologies will not only enable the colonization of Mars, but also contribute to technological advancements and discoveries that will have benefits on Earth. Colonizing Mars will provide new opportunities for scientific research, innovation, and inspire a new generation of space explorers. Number 3, space-based solar power. Space-based solar power could provide a virtually unlimited source of clean energy. With advancements in technology, space-based solar power could become a reality in the not-too-distant future. The use of space-based solar power could provide an opportunity to generate clean energy without the limitations of traditional solar energy sources on Earth, such as weather and land availability. Space-based solar power could provide a virtually unlimited source of clean energy. With advancements in technology, space-based solar power could become a reality in the not-too-distant future. Number 2, space debris mitigation. The increasing amount of space debris is a growing concern for the space industry. However, there is hope as the industry is developing new technologies and strategies to mitigate space debris, ensuring a safe and sustainable future for space exploration. From heat map and monitoring solutions to companies offering removal to reduce the possibility of the Kessler syndrome, emerging space technologies are helping with the possibility of debris removal. ClearSpace, Orbit Guardians, Share My Space, and Astroscale are becoming essential to debris monitoring and removal services. Overall, the space industry is expanding and evolving at an unprecedented pace, creating new opportunities and possibilities in monitoring and removal. With continued investment and innovation, the future of space exploration is bright and full of promise. Number 1, space-based manufacturing. Manufacturing in space could offer many advantages over manufacturing on Earth, such as microgravity conditions and a vacuum environment. The space industry is exploring the potential of space-based manufacturing to create new products and technologies. Space-based manufacturing is a promising area of development in the space industry that could have far-reaching implications for science, industry, and society as a whole. By leveraging the unique environment of space, we can produce materials and products that are not possible to make on Earth. This could include advanced materials for manufacturing, such as high-performance alloys, ultra-thin coatings, and heat-resistant ceramics. It could also lead to breakthroughs in pharmaceuticals and biomedical products, such as 3D-printed human tissues and organs for transplantation. Companies like Airbus, Additive Space Technologies, ABM Space, 3D bioprinting solutions are some of the few companies investing in this sector. In addition to the potential scientific and medical applications, space-based manufacturing could also lead to significant cost savings. The lack of gravity and other factors in space can allow for the creation of more precise and uniform products, which could increase efficiency and reduce waste. Furthermore, launching raw materials into space can be cheaper than transporting finished products from Earth, particularly for items that are expensive or difficult to transport. Overall, the development of space-based manufacturing is an exciting frontier in the space industry that has the potential to drive innovation, improve scientific understanding, and create new economic opportunities. If you enjoyed this video, click and subscribe to TNT News Tips for more insight into everyday life. And thanks for watching.